Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how I did this makeup look. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. So let's start the video. Okay. So I've already applied my base and concealed my face. So I'm next gonna do my eye makeup. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild's palette today. So I'll be using this shade, transition shade. So next I'll go with the eyeliner. I'm using Lakme's Insta liner. So I'm done with my liner. So next I'm gonna use this Incolor kajal in the shade E07 Romantic Purple. Can you see it? It's so beautiful shade. Yeah, I'll apply to my lower lines also. And also on my inner corners. And next I'm gonna take this shade from the palette. Apply to my lower lashes. Smudge it a bit. So next I'm gonna take this glittery shade and apply to my inner corners. So much. Yeah. Next I'm gonna take this lipstick from inside and use it as my blush. After I'm done with the blush, I'm going to go with the mascara. So I'm going with Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. So I'll just apply my lipstick to my hair and come back. I forgot to tell you which lip shade I use. I use Nykaa's Mini in the shade Wicked Wine, if I'm not wrong. I'll mention that in the screen and also in the description. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you're new here, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.